Hello my lovelies, this is Mutulu and today I'm showing you how to make some scallion flatbreads, also known as the spring onion or even the green onion. So here I'm just using some white spelt. Now this recipe, in my opinion, it calls for white spelt. If you want that soft, that floppiness, even after 2 days, it's still very soft, I find that white spelt works best. So here I'm just using my hands to create a circular motion, a cylinder fashion flatbread. Yes, you can use a rolling pin, but I like to use my hands occasionally. Just depends on my mood. So the ingredients were roughly 3 cups of white spelt, about 3 tablespoons of agave syrup, Perrier water, and some sea salt. And that's it. Using my cast iron skillet, a dash of grapeseed oil. You can use avocado oil if you want, or hemp seed, it's up to you, or no oil. Okay, for some of you lot, you like to come in the comment section, which I've blocked you from now. But yes, you don't have to use oil for this recipe. This is just my preference. I trust that you will enjoy this recipe. Much love to you all.